Unit 2. In the examination room, introduction. Every academic year, there are grade 8 primary candidates who sit for their final examination. This is the centralized national primary examination that enables the students, candidates, to join the secondary school education level. Pre-exam procedures. At the entrance to the examination hall, all the candidates are frisked or checked thoroughly. The intention is to make sure that they do not have materials which may lead to malpractice or cheating. All the candidates are asked to take the numbered seats at least 15 minutes before each exam starts. Then the invigilator displays large sealed envelopes containing exam scripts. This is done so that the candidates can testify as witness that no exam leakage took place. Exam time. The invigilator hands out the scripts, and then candidates read all the instructions carefully. They are told to write their names, index numbers, and the name of their venue and detailed information. All the candidates start the examination at the same time. All you can hear is the rustling of paper as pages are being turned over. While candidates are writing, the invigilator announces the time. This happens every 30 minutes to enable candidates to complete the test within a given time. The supervisor supervises what goes on in each exam room and how the invigilators perform their duties. Post-exam and marking. When the time is up, an announcement is made by the invigilator and all writing ends, and every candidate is informed to stop writing. The scripts or exam papers are collected, counted, and placed back in the envelopes and sealed. After they have been packed carefully, the supervisor takes the exam to the National Examination Board. They are marked by the subject specialists examiners, and the results are graded before being released.